In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a loan to Freshbooks. We're going to walk through this in two main parts. First, we'll create a loan liability account, and then we'll record the actual loan disbursement so it shows correctly in your books. By the end, you'll have a clean setup that tracks what you owe and where the money went. Let's start by creating the loan liability account. In Freshbooks, this is how you tell the system that you now have a loan that needs to be repaid over time. From your dashboard, go to the Accounting section, then select Accounts. This is where all of your chart of accounts lives. At the top or side of the page, look for the New button and click it. This is how you add a brand new account to your books. For the account type, choose Liability. If your setup prefers using credit card as a parent category for loan liabilities, you can select that as well. The idea here is simply that this account will represent money you owe, not money you own. Now give your account a clear, recognizable name, such as bank loan or something similar that you'll remember later. Set the opening balance to 0. You don't want to start with a balance here because we'll record the actual loan amount in the next step using a journal entry. Enter the start date for when you want this account to begin tracking, usually the date you received the loan or the start of your fiscal period. Once that's done, click Save. Your loan liability account is now created. Next, let's record the loan disbursement, which is the transaction that shows the loan money coming into your business and the liability being created. From the left sidebar, go back to Accounting and this time click on Journal Entries. Then click on New Journal Entry. On the first line of your journal entry in the Account column, select the loan liability account you just created. In the Credits column, enter the total amount of the loan. This increases what you owe. On the second line, in the Account column, select the bank account or asset account that received the funds, such as your main business bank account. In the Debits column, enter the same loan amount. This shows that your cash increased by the amount of the loan. If you'd like, add a description to the journal entry, such as the loan source or terms, so you can easily recognize it later. When everything looks correct and the debit and credit amounts match, click Save and Close. That's it. You've now added a loan to Freshbooks in a way that keeps both your liability and your cash balances accurate.